Dear teachers, welcome to JS in English Learning. We are with Unit 7 of PGTRB. We are with the poems of Kamala Das from this collection, 10 20th century Indian poets, compiled and edited by R. Parthasarathi. And we have the poem, A Hot Noon in Malabar, taken from, what is the collection that we are discussing from this anthology? A Summer in Calcutta. And that is the collection from which the poems are chosen. Now, A Hot Noon in Malabar. Malabar, abdina, it is Kerala. So she is actually, Kamala Das is the speaker of the poem, and she is speaking about her past. Okay, she is speaking about the past memories of Malabar and how she was enjoying while being in Malabar. Whereas the present is not an enjoyable reality for her. At present, the poet is unhappy. Towards the end of the poem, you'll find she openly declares that the present is a torture. Being here in this part of the world, maybe she must have been there in Mumbai or Calcutta. She says, here I am not very happy. I'm not comfortable. Whereas when I was in Malabar, when I was a child, I enjoyed, okay, many the company of many visitors. And even when there were visitors who were not known to me, I was happy because there were people who loved me. Whereas now I am living among people who are very, very selfish, who are ready to love me for my flesh, but not spiritually. அந்த ஒரு ஜக்ஸ்டபொசிஷன் அப்படியே இருக்கும். அப்படின்னா பாஸ்ட் பிரசன்ட், பாஸ்ட் பத்தி பேசிட்டு இடையில பாஸ்டோட அப்படியே பிரசன்ட மிங்கிள் பண்ற மாதிரி நிறைய விஷயத்த இந்த போயத்துல நீங்க பாப்பீங்க. நவ் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு டேக் யூ இன்டு that particular poem. Okay, let's see. So this is a kind of a reminiscence. Reminiscence abdina, thinking about the past. So it is the childhood memory of Kamala Das contrasted with the present life of Kamala Das. Present life and the childhood memories. Childhood memories, present life. Adharkappuram, the tone of the poem is nostalgia. Okay, a very happy memories of the past. She longs for being in the past. முடிந்தால் நான் அந்த கடந்த காலத்துல போய் அப்படி அப்போ எப்படி ஹாப்பியா இருந்தோம் அதே மாதிரி இருக்கிறதுக்கு இருந்தால் நல்லா இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி. Now look at the way she is going to begin the poem. This is a noon for beggars with whining voices. A hot noon in Malabar. மலபார்ல ஒரு hot afternoon. The hot அப்படிங்கிற வேர்டு வந்து the title of the poetல can be taken in two ways. மலபார் அப்படிங்கிறது the region. Hot அப்படிங்கும்போது as she is speaking about the climatic condition, and she is also speaking about the condition of her heart. Her heart is now almost in frustration, has become hot. At present, she is frustrated with her life. Yeah, அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா nobody loves her. Whereas in the past, there was only external heat. Climate na heat, ஆனா life was very, very pleasant. என்ன சொல்ற பாருங்க, கடந்த காலத்துல in the past, there was no time when beggars came to my house with whining voices. Whining அப்படின்னா begging voices. அம்மா ஏதாவது கொடுங்க, ஐயா ஏதாவது போடுங்க, தான தர்மம் போடுங்க அப்படின்னு கத்திக்கிட்டு வந்தாங்க. A noon for men who came from hills with parrots in a cage and fortune card. As she is describing all the things that happened when she was a child. Okay, her family was a well-to-do family. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா, அந்த ஏரியால இருந்த மக்கள் எல்லாம் அவங்க வீட்டுக்கு வந்து, நான் குறி சொல்றேன், இந்தாங்க நான் வந்து மலைப்பகுதியில இருந்து வரேன், இந்த பேரட்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொண்டு வந்திருக்கிறேன், there are kids in your house, please buy this caged parrot. Sasi sir, kindly mute your mic. Okay, so அவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா, many people, there were many strangers who came to my house seeking for monetary assistance, trying to make some business. Okay, even a fortune teller came to my house. People from the hillside, they came to sell the parrots in a cage, and then all stained with time. What do you mean by all stained with time? அப்படின்னா, these people were compelled to come to the house of Kamala Das. Why were they compelled? Because they have to feed their families. They have to fill their tummies. அதாவது வயிற்று பொழப்பிற்காக ஏதாவது இவங்க வீட்டுல இருந்து எதையாவது வித்துட்டு காசு வாங்கிட்டு போலாமா, இல்ல ஏதாவது எடிபிள்ஸ் வாங்கிட்டு போலாமான்னு வந்தாங்க. They did not have any other ill motive. வேற எந்த தவறான நோக்கமும் அந்த ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சர் கையில இல்ல. Then look at the other things. For brown Kurava girls, Kurava means girls from the hills, because Kerala falls into Kurinji region. மலையும் மலை சார்ந்த பகுதியும். அப்ப அங்க இருந்து என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா, for brown girls with old eyes who read palm in light sing song voices, குறி சொல்ல கொண்டு. அப்புறம் there were also bangle sellers who spread on the cold black floor those red and green and blue bangles, all covered with dust of roads, miles, grow, crack on the heel, so that when they clambered upon our porch அப்படின்னா the veranda, the noise was grating அப்படின்னா irritating. இப்ப என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னா, இந்த பேங்கிள் செல்லர்ஸ் எல்லாம் they have been vendors, must be peddlers, some of them சைக்கிள்ல வச்சு பெட்லிங் பண்ணிருக்கலாம், அல்லது some must be walking. Because of walking they were completely dusted. பாடி ஃபுல்லா டஸ்ட், அவங்க கொண்டு வந்த ப்ராடக்ட் ஃபுல்லா டஸ்ட், எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்துட்டு வந்து they were trying to sell all these things to the family members of Kamala Das. And Kamala Das was a very small girl child and she was observing all these things. அப்ப என்ன சொல்றா அப்படின்னா, all these people were not insiders of the family, they were outsiders, but their strangeness did not disturb Kamala Das, because அவங்க எல்லாருக்குமே motive என்ன அப்படின்னா, not to disturb the family members physically, but to get some financial assistance. ஆனா இன்று in Mumbai, I think in Mumbai or Calcutta, she is using the word strange, ... அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Today it is very strange for me. This life in this foreign state, in this state is very strange for me. In this cosmopolitan city is very strange for me. This is a noon of strangers who part the window drapes and peer in. And he says, I am living in an apartment. There are strangers who are passing by my apartment. What do? They peer into the house. Their hot eyes brimming with the sun. And she is speaking about the men with hot eyes. அப்படின்னா அர்த்தம், men with desire, men with lust. They are looking at the body of Kamala Das and they are trying to rape her even by their sight. கண்ணாலே கற்பழிக்க பாக்குறாங்க. அந்த அளவுக்கு மோசமானவங்க இருக்காங்க இந்த part of the world. Not seeing a thing in shadow rooms and turn away and look so earningly at the brick-ledged wall. She is speaking about the present house in which she is laying. The men who are passing by are not good fellows. They are lusting for my body. This is a noon of strangers with mistrust in their eyes. Dark, silent one who rarely speak at all. People in the cities, they don't trust the other. Even they may talk to you, but they may not trust you. Their eyes were dark. They were silent like their mouths. They don't speak at all. So that When they speak, if at all they speak, their voices run wild like jungle voices. ஏன் அவங்க ஒருவேளை பேசுனாங்கன்னா it will be only business communication. Yes, அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. Yes, yes, this is not a happy place for me. Yes, this is a noon of wild men. I'm living among wild men with wild thoughts, with wild love. It's not mild love. Romantic love is supposed to be mild love. Ana these fellows, they come here, they come to me, they move with me, they talk to me in order to look for a chance. ஒரு சான்ஸ் கிடைச்சா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? உங்களை யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடலாம். ஒரு சின்ன கேப் கிடைச்சா போதும், ஒரு சின்ன டைம் ஃப்ரேம் கிடைச்சா போதும். We can satisfy the physical hunger and leave the woman அப்படின்னு இருக்காங்க. So it's very very strange here. அதுதான் அப்படியே கண்டினியூ பண்றாங்க. Culmination of that frustration. To be here far away is torture. இங்க இருக்கிறது எனக்கு டார்ச்சர். பேசாம நான் வந்து என்னுடைய ஃபேமிலி ஹவுஸ்க்கு போயிடலாம். அங்கேயாவது people are very innocent. Here people are mentally corrupted fellows நடுவுல இருக்கேன். Wild feet stirring up the dust this hot noon at my home in Malabar, and I far away. I'm far away from my home. A home is a place where you get true love and comfort. Whereas here, I'm far away from home. Here, everybody comes to empty themselves on my body. And I will be left thinking about them, but they will be away with somebody else. This is the feeling of a frustrated woman who longs for the childhood life, where people were really innocent. Whereas in the modern world, where she is living, people are very, very self-centered, selfish to the core. They don't look for the person with whom they are moving. The feelings and emotions are not at all cared for. That is the poem, teachers. Do you have any doubts there? A hot noon in Malabar. ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கா?
No, sir.
Okay.